Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to sync your emails to Hubspot, and I promise it's super easy and quick. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to connect your email so you can manage all your communications directly from Hubspot. First, open up your web browser and head to the Hubspot homepage. If you already have it bookmarked, that's even better. Once there, click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials to get into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and look for the Marketing tab. This is where all your email management tools live. Click on Marketing, then choose the Email option. Here you'll see all your marketing emails and drafts ready to be managed. Pick an email you want to work on, click Edit, and you'll be in the email editor. From here, you can add all kinds of elements, including images. To add an image, click the Image button, then select Image. If the image isn't in your library yet, hit the Upload button, choose the file from your computer, and click Open. Wait a few seconds, and your file is now ready to be used in your email. And just like that, your email is synced and enhanced with your content. Following these steps makes your campaigns more engaging and professional. Keep exploring HubSpot, and your marketing emails will never look better. Thanks for watching.